Good morning. Today is the first day of my week-long spring break, and so I'm just really going to try to tidy up my space and get a little bit of work done for my businesses. First things first, music is an absolute must, and then this is a somewhat embarrassing mess of accumulated art supplies from the various projects I've been working on, so I'm just going to start by straightening that up so I can stop stepping on paint pens when I do anything in my room. And then this is a drawing I've been working on for class, which I really should get to today, but I probably won't for what it's worth because I have a million other things to do. And then now that that's cleaned up, I'm just going to get ready for the day. I'm starting with my favorite cotton pants. They're fair trade. They're from a brand called Ethical Roots, and they're all handmade, and I love that. And then I tame my curls. I always sleep in overnight curlers, and I have kind of a mass of hair in the morning, so that's what I like to start with. I've been really working on simplifying kind of my routines lately because I think that is better for you, and it also seems to save a lot of time and money for me. But if you know me at all, you know that I am 100% a clean beauty product girly. I've been working on that for a couple of years now, kind of switching all of my products over the Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream, if you wondered, which I also love that it comes in a glass jar. But then my next step is the Hero Cosmetics Force Shield Sunscreen. This one has like a green tint, which makes your face super glowy in the morning, which I love because I have kind of, I get a bit of red on my skin. But all that to say that you're not going to catch me doing really extra steps here. I don't honestly even wash my face in the morning because I have kind of dry skin, and that tends to be really stripping for me anyway. Today's game plan is just to try and catch up on some work things now that I'm finally on spring break. It's really hard to stay up on everything with classes every day. So today I have a shift at the gallery I work at, so I'm going to have to do that, but I'm also going to work on restocking some of my products for If Hooks Could Kill, and then obviously filming, and just see what else I can actually knock off today. This is a mineral sunscreen lip balm. I got this one locally made, but yeah, I think a lot of people forget that they need sunscreen on their lips too. But you guys will have to let me know. This is my first like vlog style video. Usually I do more like tutorials, and if I'm doing something about me, I usually make a short instead. But I've had a lot of new faces lately, a lot of new subscribers, and I don't know, I want to try out some different things with this channel and kind of get to know you guys and let you guys get to know me a little bit. I am so thrilled to be able to do these tutorials and things for you guys as well, so like just let me know what you want to see. I am happy to make all sorts of projects and things for you. I've always had a little bit of a problem with like narrowing my field of focus, which I think would have helped me be a little more successful with any one of my businesses. But what can I say, I like to have my fingers in all of the pies, and I like to be able to switch up what I'm doing from day to day a little bit, which is why I have several different businesses. I'm hoping to kind of make this Do or DIY kind of like the hub for all of my other projects, because like if you've watched my other videos, you know I have a crochet Etsy shop. That's predominantly what I do. I kind of, I write patterns, and then I also sell the finished products, and I do a lot of craft shows and things, and I've done that for a really long time. I started crocheting when I was like 11, and I turned 21 this week, so it's been about a decade now of that. So I do a lot with that, but I also have an Etsy shop called Arachne's Academia that is all kind of like stickers and stationery and bookmarks and that kind of thing, which I do a lot of my like my drawing and my fine arts designs over on that. And then I am also like a writer and a bit of a book fanatic, so I also have like a book review account, and I write a lot of poetry, and I don't know, I like to keep busy, and I have 3 jobs if you include this, which I do because I spend a lot of time working on my businesses, and then I work at an art gallery at my school, and then I also work as a youth sports referee, so I keep busy on top of my college courses. But yeah, so just let me know what you want to see here. I know this isn't quite my usual style of video, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of get a little more FaceTime with you guys, get to meet my cats, because you hear them in the background of every video, so you might as well get to see how cute they are as well. Adorable creature is Matcha. My brother was a barista when he named her, hence the name. Gingerbeer. He's such a handsome boy. Adorable creature is Normal. This precious bean is Nutmeg. She's so sweet. Gonna make a little breakfast, some tea, and then get right into the day. So this is my absolute favorite tea. It's the honey chai turmeric vitality blend from Yogi. It's so good, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it's just really, really good for you. Now I'm gonna get into restocking some items for my Etsy shop. I'm gonna start with my most popular plush, which is this blueberry throw pillow, which I really love to make, and if you want to make it, I have the tutorial up on this channel as well, and I will link that in the description box. And also, if you want to buy it, I have it over on my Etsy shop, so go check that out, and the pattern's also over there if that's I'm gonna call that an end to this video. That's a wrap. Probably just gonna go eat dinner with my family and kind of chill this evening, maybe get done a little more crocheting, because I am trying to restock a couple of things for my website. Tomorrow I'm hoping to film another pattern tutorial or 2, so stay tuned for that. And then yeah, this really wasn't an overwhelmingly productive day, but it's the first day of my break, so I kind of wanted to ease into things. I've got a lot to get done this week, and then it's my birthday later this week, so yeah, it'll be a good time. Thank you for watching, and if you have any strong desire to see any specific kind of craft tutorials or any other kind of content, yeah, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching.